In this video, we will use vectors to design icons, and we are starting right now. This is part 2 of Advanced Vector tutorial, and I'll be using concepts and techniques from part 1 video. Please watch it if you want to learn the basics of vectors, Boolean, and other vector operations. Download the practice file and follow along with the video for the best results. We will move from the easy icon to the complex ones. You can fast forward the video or jump between different sections using timestamp. Now to begin with, create a frame of 24 by 24, which is my preferred icon size. I'm not using any icon grid right now. I'll cover that in a separate video. Observe the icon first before choosing the vector shape. I'll start with the rectangle. Change stroke and fill effect. Hold Option or Alt key to change just one corner radius. I'll keep radius to 2. Observe stroke position as inside, outside, or center. I'll keep it to center for now. Then we need rounded corners. Click on 3 dot icons to open Advanced Stroke Properties. Choose Join Angle as Rounded. Now let's duplicate this rectangle using shortcut Command D or Control D. Resize it to match the icon above. Looks good. Combine both the rectangles by using Flatten selection. It's still not properly scalable. To do that, go to Objects tab in the menu bar, click on Outline Stroke. Select the icon and change resizing constraints to Scale. Now it will scale perfectly along with the frame. Let's start with Archive icon now. Draw a rectangle within a frame. Add a stroke of 2 pixels. Duplicate rectangle and change its size. Now add another small rectangle in the middle. Change cap to round from Advanced Stroke Properties. Adjust the placement. Now flatten the selection and convert it to outlines to make it scalable. Command icon is my favorite one. It's extremely easy to create. Start with the square. I'll use same stroke of 2 pixels. Duplicate it 4 times and place it exactly on the corners. Now zoom in and look for smart radius handles. Drag the three corners all the way inside to make them round. Flatten the selection and convert it to outlines. Next is check circle icon. It has two components, arc and the tick. Draw an ellipse on the frame. Remove fill and add stroke of 2 pixels. Use Smart Handle to create an arc. Zoom in inside to select middle handle called Ratio and drag it all the way inside. Change cap to round from the Advanced Stroke properties. Adjust the position and the size of the arc. Now use Pen tool to draw a tick mark. Change stroke to 2 pixels, cap to round cap and join to round. Adjust the position. Last step is to flatten and converting it to the outlines. Before we move ahead, consider subscribing to this channel if you are new here. Don't forget to hit like if this is helpful. Download cloud icon is little tricky. Let's start with two circles, one bigger than the other. Select both of them and add union using Boolean operations. Select the union group from the layers panel. Remove fill and change stroke to 2 pixels. Cap to round cap and join to round. Let's add rectangle on top of it to create a white empty space. Select the union group and flatten the selection. Now select rectangle and flattened cloud shape and choose subtract Boolean operation. This is looking weird. Let's do it the other way. Delete the rectangle. Double click on the cloud shape to make it editable. We have to delete and manipulate the nodes now. Use Pen tool to add a node. Nice. Cloud shape is now ready. Adding arrow is super simple. Adjust size and position. Flatten the selection and convert it to outlines. Done. Codepen icon uses vector network. Start with polygon tool. Change the number of sides to 4. Use stroke of 2 pixels. Adjust size and position. Join to round and remove fill. Duplicate this diamond shape. Make sure that both of them are of same size and have hollow space in between them. Now flatten the selection to convert two polygons into one unified path. Now use pen tool to simply connect the nodes. Move the shapes around to tweak it a little. It's fun to interact with the vector network. I can do it all day. Alright, moving to the next one, the aperture icon. Start by adding a circle. Use stroke of 2 pixels. Place it exactly in the middle. Now add polygon and change number of sides to 6. You can rotate it to have a flat edge on the top. Remove fill and add stroke of 2 pixels. Looks little hard to align. Rotate it back to 0 degrees. Resize it to 8 by 8 pixels. Change join to round from advanced stroke properties. Select both polygon and circle to convert both of them into unified path using flatten selection. Now using pen tool, extend the edges of polygon and connect it to the circle. Rotate the icon to have flat edge of the polygon on the top. One of this path looks little off. If you try to move or edit it, it will now deform the whole shape. So here's the trick. Add a node in between. Select the same and delete it. Figma by default will delete the path. Now connect the path correctly. Finally, rotate it and convert the icon to outlines. That's it for today. Like and comment on the video if you like it. If you have any suggestions or need further help, feel free to reach out. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Keep smiling.